Hello everybody, I'm Stefano from Next. This is a simple demonstration of the new Tcgear SDK. I have already installed the SDK, so I have it in my compiler, in my IDE, so I can import some object from the SDK. And I also need the Tskin object is a digital representation of the wearable from Tactigon, the Tskin wearable from Tactigon. I also, when using this object, I also need to provide for some configuration. So again, from the SDK, but the models module, I can import the Tskin config class. We are gonna create a main function, and we are gonna create a new Tskin object, giving the Tskin configuration. When configuring the Tskin, we need to provide a MAC address, the Bluetooth MAC address. I have already assigned it in my notes, and we can provide for a name. We need to start the Tskin object to being able to connect to the wearable device, and we need to select the sensor. By doing this line, we can start the streaming of the button state and also the angle state from the wearable. We can do a simple while and maybe check if the Tskin is connected. So if it's not connected, we can sleep for let's say a second. I need to import the time module, import time, and then we can print connecting. Or maybe we should print the connecting debug before, and then continue with the next iteration. After the Tskin is connected, we can check for the button. So button is equal Tskin.button, and the angle is equal Tskin.angle, and we can print them. Button. For this first, of course, we need to call the main function. So if name is main, we can call main function. Okay. Can save it and run it. As you can see, the device is connecting, and now it is streaming some data from the gyro and the button state. When I press the buttons, you can see that it's changing. Let's just stop it. Of course, we have, for example, the button enumeration. So we can just give us some time not to flood the terminal, and we can, for example, say if button is equal button dot circle, which is the third button from the top. For example, we can break we can gracefully exit the while loop. And of course, when we are out, we can gracefully terminate the oops, I think I've made a typo. So this is this terminate. We can close the connection and let's say print for the back. Let's rerun this small demo. We are connecting. Okay, as you can see, I have all the streaming that's happening as well. And I can press the button, but when I press the circle button, the device, the device stop.